Hello children of class 6, welcome back to our e-learning class. Now today we will read the second chapter of our book Honeysuckle. This is how the dog found himself a new master. This is actually folk tale. Folk tale means popular stories which are just passed on from one generation to another in spoken form. So before you read, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Let's start. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, that means in freedom. Until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. Ill-pleased means, it is given over here, old-fashioned way of saying not happy. So that this dog, this particular dog, he didn't like the freedom. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. That means he was not only quite what to say, that means I will not do the work on my own. Rather, if it will be quite helpful for me or beneficial for me if somebody just provides the food to me. That means I will not go in search of it. And another thing, he was every time he just used to become quite frightened of those who were stronger than him. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. So he just searched out a solution also of his problem. He thought that it's better just I will find a strong master for me, and I will just become his servant, and at that time I will not have to worry regarding my security and regarding my food. He walked and he met a kinsman of his. Kinsman, it is given old-fashioned word for a relative. A big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Fierce meaning is also given violent or frightening. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Take up service with means become the servant of. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So just on the way he met the wolf, and the wolf asked where he was going, and the dog explained everything, that I am just in search for a master, and will you just become my master? The wolf said there is no problem in it. I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Darted means moved quickly or suddenly. The dog was much surprised. So the dog, one thing just made the dog quite surprised, that all of a sudden the wolf just sniffed something in the air, and after that he just darted away, moved suddenly into the bushes, and not only that, he just crept deeper into the forest. So he asked, what's the matter? What's come over you? The dog wanted to know that why the wolf had become frightened. Can't you see there's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me? So the wolf was afraid of the bear. So children, in our next class we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Bye.